Hello and welcome to my review of the Acer GN246HL gaming monitor. I'm rather fond of this monitor and I'm going to tell you why that is in this video, but before we begin I would just like to apologize for some of the flickering that you'll see throughout this video. The monitor itself works perfectly fine, this is just an issue caused by my camera. So with that out of the way, let's get right into this review. This monitor features a screen size of 24 inches and a resolution of 1920 by 1080, which is pretty standard these days. However, it also includes a 144 Hz refresh rate. This Acer monitor also has an HDMI port along with a DVI port, which will be necessary in order to achieve that 144 Hz refresh rate. And it has a VGA port, which I can't imagine anybody using in 2018, but it's there. Unlike the Asus VG248QE, which is its competitor, this monitor stand is not adjustable, so the height is fixed unless of course you prop it up on something. There's also no portrait mode available, but this doesn't bother me in the slightest. Since this monitor has a 1 millisecond response time and such a high refresh rate, it's safe to say its core audience is PC gamers. And speaking from experience, it's been fantastic for PC gaming. Every game I've played on this monitor looks and feels buttery smooth. First-person shooters like Counter-Strike, Battlefield, Siege, and many others feel so much more immersive due to the 144 Hz refresh rate. And it's not just noticeable in games, but desktop interactions too. Suddenly using Spotify is a little more satisfying. The colors on this panel are slightly underwhelming, especially if you're coming from an IPS or PLS display. And while I can and have used this monitor for video editing and web design, it's not ideal, and if you're a creative professional, I would definitely look elsewhere for a monitor. If your primary use case is going to be gaming with creative work on the side, then this monitor should do you just fine. If you're from Canada, this monitor can be picked up for $280 and $199 if you're in the States. However, I highly recommend buying monitors locally from places like Best Buy or Staples, and here's why. Let's say your monitor has a defect and you need to either return or exchange it. Well, if you choose Newegg, you'll have to wait longer, and in some cases you may even have to pay for return shipping, even if it's not your fault. In stores like Best Buy, you could just return it the same day, they can place your new order for you when you come in, and I know for a fact that Best Buy, at least in Canada, will match most online retailers, so you really have nothing to lose as far as I can tell. I suspect that the reason this monitor is so cheap is primarily because it's pretty bare bones. You don't get an adjustable stand or an IPS display at a higher resolution, but what you do get is a solid 144 Hz monitor with 3D capabilities if you're interested. That will bring your games to life, assuming that you have the GPU power to push those higher frames. I love my Acer monitor because it continues to highlight the benefits of PC gaming, and it was so inexpensive that I might just have to pick up another one. Now, that's going to do it for this little review, guys. If you like it, leave a like. If you dislike it, leave a dislike. You can go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the bell notification to see when I upload next. And if you do that, leave a comment, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to see you guys next video.
The beast in me is caged by frail and fragile bars. Restless by day and by night, rants and rages at the stars. God help